Good morning, students. Students, in previous lesson we have learned about the adjectives is a describing words. We know that a word that tell us something more about a noun or pronoun is called an adjectives, right students? In previous lesson we have done so many exercise about the adjectives, right? Now our next lesson is lesson number 7, more describing words. It's known as a comparison of adjectives. Okay, now what is the comparison of adjectives? Students, an adjectives of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another, right? It is called the degree of the comparison of an adjectives. Okay students, the quality changes and its compare one or another people is known as a comparison of the adjectives, right students? So it's a comparison about the quality. For example, we compare some less or more, right? Some talent is known as the adjectives of quality. Okay, so this comparison is called the comparison of the adjectives. Okay, there are 3 degrees of comparison. Students, I have already uploaded the PDF of this lesson, right? So when you watch this video, please keep your PDF with you. Okay, so we will continue the degree of the comparison. There are main 3 types of comparison. First one is a positive degree, second one is a comparative degree, and third one is the superlative degree. Now first, what is the positive degree? When we use an adjectives to describe one things or to compare two equal things, it is called the positive degree, right? In this degree we have to compare the same situation, right? Equal comparison or no comparison, right? For example, it is a large elephant, right? So is a positive degree, is a simple sentence, right? So is a positive degree. Or we can compare equal comparison. For example, it is as large as this elephant, this one, right? Is a equal comparison of elephant. So large as large as this one is equal comparison is known as a positive degree, right? And we can see that in positive degree we generally use the as. Okay, now for example, here I have mentioned that it is as large as this one. Okay, so before the adjective as and after adjective is also as. Okay, so we can find out for these things also. Okay, now second one is the comparative degree. Okay, comparative degree. When we use an adjective to compare two people, things or feelings, it is called the comparative degree. Okay, now in first case we have seen that in positive degree two equal things, right? Equal comparison. Now one things we compare to the other things or people or the feelings also. For example, here same example, it is a large elephant is a positive degree, and if we convert into comparative degree, it forms a it is larger than elephant. It is larger than that elephant. It means that we have compared two elephants. The first one is larger than that one. Okay, so here we use the er. When we compare the adjective comparative degree, we use the er, and after this comparison we using the than. Okay, so our answer is it is larger than that elephant. Okay students, in third degree is a superlative degree, right? In comparative degree we can use the more or less also we can use. For example, if we can use the beautiful, the girl is more beautiful than that one. Okay, so here we use not er, but in some adjective we use the more. more beautiful, less beautiful, less. Okay, so here are some comparative degree rules. The third rule is when adjectives end in y, we change it in a ier. For example, prettier, pretty, prettier. We can use that. It is more she is more prettier than that one. So here we skip the y and use the ier. So there are some rules of the comparative degree. Now we will go to the third one, superlative degree. When we use an adjectives to compare more than two people, student note down, more than two people, things or feelings, it is called the superlative degree, right? For example, if the positive degree, it is a large elephant, and when we compare into, we will convert into superlative degree, it is the largest elephant in the world. So we will we are here comparing elephant is the largest one, right, in a different way, right? So here we compare two people or more than two people, we are using the est in the superlative degree. Okay, students, for example, in this case, we in superlative degree we use the est. When we convert into superlative degree, we add est to the adjectives, right? And before the comparison degree, we use the the. So when we convert superlative degree, generally we use the and add the adjective in add the adjective to est. Okay, in superlative degree, we are also using the most or the least before them, like the, for example, most beautiful. In comparative degree, we use the more beautiful. In superlative degree, we use the most beautiful, right, students? In y case, we in comparative degree, when an adjective end in y, right? So in comparative degree, we use the ier, right? In superlative degree, we use the iest. Okay, for example, prettiest. Okay, students, there are some other rules, that irregular rule when we convert into comparative degree and superlative degree. In textbook, I have I think in your grammar textbook given on the page number 35, please read this page. For example, if the positive degree is good, when we compare it, we convert into comparative degree, we use the better, and in the we convert into superlative degree, we use the best. There are other example given: bad, worse, many, more, most, much, more, most, and little, least, less, and least. There are some irregular rule also. Okay, students, in next lecture I will upload the exercise of lesson number 7. Good day, students.